Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by prepping and dividing the hair into manageable sections. This prevents retangling and keeps you organized. Use clips to isolate one dread and work only on that section. Apply a liberal amount of conditioner or detangling oil to the ends to soften matted fibers. This reduces pulling. Once the ends loosen, use a wide-tooth comb or fingers to coax apart the bundle slowly. Take breaks every 20-30 minutes to check tension and scalp comfort so you don't overwork delicate strands. Once a section is prepped, focus on detangling with a consistent motion. Fingers first, then the comb. Start at the tip and slowly free short loops, reducing tension progressively toward the root. For stubborn loops, use a fine crochet hook to pick and untwist small knots. This preserves length and minimizes breakage. Maintain lubrication with more conditioner as you work. It acts like a lubricant and cushion for the hair. Make sure to work only on one small area at a time to measure progress and avoid creating new mats. To complete, rinse the detangled sections and apply a deep conditioner, combing through to smooth any remaining tangles. Pat dry with a towel and air dry to avoid heat stress, then trim split or frayed ends to restore shape. If you notice thinning or persistent tight mats, stop and reassess. Excessive force causes irreversible breakage. In that case, consult a stylist experienced with dread removal. One key tip: if a knot won't budge after gentle work, pause and reapply conditioner rather than pulling. This prevents
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.